Hey guys, it's Morgan. Welcome back to Crafting in Quarantine. I'm super excited for today because we're making stickers. The first thing you're gonna do is turn on some sweet tunes. Then you're gonna get paper, a pencil, double-sided tape, packing tape, scissors, and markers. Mark the width of your tape. Make sure when you're drawing to stay within those parameters. Then sketch out your design. I'm doing a microscope. Then erase the lines so just a faint outline remains. Color it in. I outlined mine with the G2 pen. I then went in with a smaller pen and did details. Do a rough cut of your design. Cover it with Scotch tape and fold down the sides. Then you're going to do a close cut of your design. I smoothed mine out with the scissors. You're then going to take your double-sided tape and put it all over the back. Feel free to cut off the excess. And that's all there is to it. The Scotch tape gives it a nice finish and it sticks pretty well. If you want your sticker to look more like vinyl, give it a white outline. You can keep your stickers on a plastic bag so that way they don't lose their stick. You can put them in school notes, in a journal, home decor, yourself. I put it on my laptop to give that one random piece of tape a couple friends. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media at MMBIO and we'll see you next week.